Hi, my name is Khalil Rivera. I'm a learning solutions developer here at MassMutual Financial Group. Today I'm here just to give you a little bit of information as to how we approach virtual learning environments. Not too long ago, we had to provide a training to our associates out in Phoenix, Arizona. Now we are here in Springfield, Massachusetts, where a subject matter expert was located. The instructor, on the other hand, was a remote worker. She had to provide the training from her house. Now, through the use of Cisco Telepresence, our subject matter expert was able to view and share the desktop with the learners. Through TeamViewer, I was able to capture all the desktops from the participants, and through Adobe Connect, we were able to share with our remote instructor. That way, we can provide a seamless learning environment for the participants.